Hey everybody, here's part B.
Yeah, so at time t equals 10, is Mary speeding up or slowing down? Give a reason for your answer. So we know that Mary's velocity is always positive. We know that m of t for all of t is going to be greater than 0. So what we need to know is what happens for m prime of t. Is that going to be greater than or less than 0? Because we know that m of t is meters per minute. So we need to know what is her acceleration. Okay, so we know that m of t is greater than 0 for all t. So that's true for all t. Okay, so we need to find m prime of t. So we know that m of t equals 6,010 over t squared minus 3t plus 50.5. So what we're going to do is let's take the derivative and let's find m prime of t. M prime of t equals, what I'm going to do is first I'm just going to write out, well, I'm not even going to write m prime. I'm just going to write m for now. I'm just going to rewrite it to make it a little bit easier. 6,000 is going to be t squared minus 3t plus 50.5 to the negative first. Okay, so now let's do m prime of t, and that's going to be the 6,010, and we're going to have the negative out in front. Then we have the t squared minus 3t plus 50.5 to the negative second. And now we have to take the derivative of the stuff inside. This is like a chain rule. So we're going to multiply that by 2t minus 3. Okay, so cleaning that up a little bit, we end up with negative 6,010 2t minus 3 all over t squared minus 3t plus 50.5 squared. Okay, so what we know for m prime of t is that this denominator is going to be positive, right? Because we know it's squared, so that means we know that's going to be positive. So what we really have to do is just check the numerator to see if that's going to be positive or negative, right? So m prime of 10 is what we're looking at, right? We're looking at m prime of 10 because time is 10. So that's going to equal negative 6,010 times 2 times 10 minus 3. So 2 times 10 is 20, minus 3 is 17, times negative 6,000. So that's going to be a negative. The numerator is a negative, so that means m prime of 10 is less than 0. So that means her acceleration is negative. So that means Mary is slowing down at time t equals 10. We don't care what the acceleration. We don't care how fast she's going. We just care